Alright guys, we're troubleshooting the unit. We have high voltage here. We have our 460 coming in, all phases. We don't have any control voltage. I didn't have 24 volts coming out of my transformer. Checked power here and I wasn't getting 480 feet in the transformer. Traced these wires down to this contactor, which it gets power from these fuses, which also runs back over to our electrical terminal. So I have a fuse that's not reading good or is bad. So this fuse has an issue. So I want to trace out my black wire, which goes here, and make sure we don't have anything that's grounded or about to go. So let me check this stuff and I will get right back with you.